Hey, Matt Brown here from Eggplant, and today...
Hey, Daddy! Why is the sky blue? What's the biggest number? What are submodels?
Well, how about we start with just one of those for now? At their simplest, submodels are just models called by a parent model. What this means though is that you can create your models according to functionality, keeping them small, reusable, and easier to maintain. Then you can hook it up with an action inside the parent model. You can even pass variable data between the two models. Let's check out an example. Here we have a very basic model of a user setting their notification preferences inside an app. To set it as a submodel, highlight the action in the root model, select the Models tab in the left-hand sidebar, then click the arrow next to the corresponding model you'd like to connect. You can pass variables between your models similar to how you would pass variables to a snippet. Now that we've connected our submodel, let's run our parent model and check the results. Although the UI won't show the progress through the submodel, the console will output this information so you can follow along. Now if we check the log, we can verify the path it took through our submodel. Alright, got it, kiddo?
Yup!
Any other questions?
Just one more. What's invisible and smells like carrots? Rabbit farts!
Wow, oh my goodness. Well, thanks for tuning in. Be well.